How to set home address in Lyft application. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom you can see your profile icon or U option. Simply tap on it. So these are the profile settings. Now on the top you'll be able to see view profile. Simply tap on view profile. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the shortcuts option you'll be able to see add home. Tap on add home. So this is the section where you can add your address. So here I'm adding a random address just to show you how you can set it up. So here I'm searching an address. Now again simply tap on it. So here the shortcut has been added and your home place has been added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.